Okay, so I'm giving you a little tour tonight of Ogden Street, which is one block over from Fremont Street. See the back of Binion's. We're going to walk down here and show you what's on this street. Actually, we turn around, you can't see it, but behind the California is Main Street Station, which is connected to Main Street Station by a lovely overhead walkway, which you can see in approximately 872 YouTube videos if you want to look for it. But we're going to walk along here because there's some interesting, there's a few hotels, casinos, restaurants, and bars. So just walk along and check it out. And you can check it out with me, because that's what we do here on Vegas Tips and Tricks. Coming up on Casino Center Boulevard, which I think otherwise would be 2nd Street, but it's instead Casino Center Boulevard. And see the back of the Fremont Hotel. Parking garage. And I'm going to continue down this way. Some of you may remember, not that many years ago, when one of the highlights of visiting downtown was bringing your jar of pennies. Yeah, seriously. Back in the day, change was actually something you brought to Vegas instead of brought home from Vegas. That's another story. Perhaps we'll cover it in the nostalgia podcast that we're going to do one of these days. But anyway, so continuing down Ogden Street, but I digress because that's what I usually do. And there was a place you could bring your pennies and play them in a slot machine. That place was the Gold Spike. And, well, it's up here just a little ways, but it's not here yet. Instead, we have the Grand, which is the downtown Grand. Across the street is Pizza Rock. Some people really like Pizza Rock. The time I tried it, I was not thrilled by it. It was okay. The George Grill, considered a pretty good place. I like the downtown Grand. I wouldn't mind staying there. The place seems to be on kind of a shaky grounds. I'm going to be honest. Okay, if you want to go to Pizza Rock, there's the menu. Anyway, we're going to cross the street over here. You can see where we are. The D is down that way. If you go down to the end of this block, you can't really see it, but it's straight ahead, is the Mob Museum, which, if you're interested in Las Vegas and or interested in the history of organized crime, and I am both, you could spend hours and hours and hours inside the Mob Museum. It is very, very cool. It is headquartered in the old courthouse here, and check it out. It's not that expensive. I think you'd have a good time there. But earlier I spoke of the Gold Spike. It still exists. It does. They brought it back. But there's no casino. Downtown Grand used to be the Lady Luck, by the way. Stayed there a couple of times. There it is. It's the Gold Spike. And they have some very cool kind of boutique hotel rooms. It's cool little bars, a lot of fun little activities. It is a great place, but there's no casino. So I'll probably never stay there, because I always like to stay in a hotel where eventually I either might get my room for free or I might get an offer to get my room for free. But anyway, there it is, the Gold Spike. They have their hotel tower. Then they have a series of rooms in the Oasis building. And anyway, from the earlier video, we have Nacho Daddy down there. And that's the D. So, I'm going to wrap this video up here pretty soon, but again, we have a number of people here waiting to get into the Gold Spike, because it is a happening place on the weekends. There's even a bouncer who's like frisking people. I usually have to pay extra to get people to frisk me, but anyway, so there you go. That is a little tour of Ogden Street, which is 1 block over from Fremont Street. As you can see, there's some things going on there. Some restaurants, hotels, bars. Pretty cool. So, if you don't want to be right in the middle of, frankly, right in the middle of the noise, it's the biggest issue, then maybe one of these hotels is the right choice for you the next time you come to downtown Las Vegas. Hey, this video is pretty long, but I want to thank you for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and please subscribe to our channel. Have a great night.